Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is terpineol. This is from MSc Chemistry 4th semester, Chemistry of Natural Product, and this is unit 1. Alpha terpineol. It is a monocyclic monoterpenoid. Melting point is 35 degrees Celsius. It is solid and occurs naturally free state and as esters. For example, as the positive form is neroli oil, as the negative form of various camphor oil, and as the racemate and in oil of cajuput. It is manufactured from alpha-pinene by hydration of terpene hydrate by boiling with sulfuric acid in acetic acid solution followed by careful dehydration of the latter. This is alpha-pinene, C10H16 plus water molecule to form C10H20O2, that is terpene hydrated. Now removal of water to form terpineol, that is C10H18O. It has an odor of lilac, fragrant smelling, and hence is used to as manufacture of perfumes. Next is constitution. Constitution having its molecular formula is C10H18O. Nature of oxygen atom, it is present as a tertiary alcoholic group as indicated by the following reactions. It forms phenylethanine with phenyl isocyanate, thus indicating the presence of a hydroxide group in terpineol, in which here terpineol plus C6H5 and CO to give terpinyl urethane, that is C6H5 NHCO C10H17. It is readily hydrated, forming terpenes like dipentene and terpinolene. Therefore, hydroxy group present as tertiary hydroxy group, that is C10H18O. Now, water is removed to form terpinolene, that is C10H16 plus water. Since terpineol is insoluble in caustic soda, the hydroxy group cannot be phenolic. Nature of unsaturation. Terpineol takes up a molecule of bromine and a NaCl to form aromatic compound, hence terpineol can contain a double bond C10H18O terpineol CO NOCl to form C10H18O NOCl. Now next is with reaction of Br2 to form C10H18O Br2. Now next fourth is nature of carbon framework present in the molecule. Since alpha terpineol acts on two bromine atoms, it therefore contains one double bond. Thus, the present saturated hydroxy carbon of alpha terpineol has the molecular formula C10H20. This corresponds to CnH2n, the general formula of the monocyclic cycloalkanes, and so it follows that alpha terpineol is a monocyclic compounds. Second, when heated with sulfuric acid, alpha terpineol form paracymene. You can see that here in this reaction. Thus, on the basis of above point, it may be conclude that alpha terpineol is probably paramethane with one double bond and a tertiary alcoholic group. Fifth is position of functional group. The position of these functional groups were ascertained by Wallich by means of graded oxidation. The following chart gives the result of Wallich work, that is alpha terpineol with KMnO4 and 1% of alpha trihydroxy compound C10H20O3 with CrO3 to form ketohydroxy acid, that is C10H18O4. Next is ketolactone, that is C10H16O3, and with the reaction of Volmec KMnO4 and acetic acid to form terpinolic acid, that is C8H12O4. Okay, now next with reaction of KMnO4 to form terabic acid C7H10O4. Next is following conclusion can be drawn from the above set of dehydration reaction. Oxidation of alpha terpinol 1 with 1% alkaline KMnO4 hydroxylate and double bond to produce the trihydroxy compound C10H20O3. This on oxidation with chromic acid produce a compound with molecular formula C10H16O3. ये जो हमने यहाँ पे रिएक्शन की है बस इसके बारे में यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया हुआ है, ठीक है. Which was shown to contain ketonic group and that is was natural. For example, it gave no reaction with sodium carbonate solution. When however fourth was refluxed with successive standard sodium hydroxide solution and then back titrated, it was found that alkali had been consumed, the amount corresponding to presence of one carboxylic group. This compound appears to be lactone of monocarboxylic acid. Furthermore, since it is the lactone that is isolated and not the hydroxy acid, the spontaneous lactonization may be interpreted as being produced from a V-hydroxy acid. Next is, now since the formation of scission of glycol bond and since there is no loss of carbon atom in the process of double bond, therefore must be in the ring 1. In the third, on warming, the alkaline KMnO4 gave acetic acid and a compound C8H12O4. The formation of acetic acid suggested that both the methyl ketone and lactone, it is known as homoterpenyl methyl ketone, and structure assigned to it has been confirmed by its synthesis. A study of the properties of terpinolic acid showed that it was a lactone of monohydroxy dicarboxylic acid. Further oxidation of terpinolic acid gives terabic acid, that is C7H10O4, which is also lactone of the monohydroxy carboxylic acid. Above reaction can be formulated as shown, assuming 1 as the structure of alpha terpinol. Here is alpha terpinol hydroxylate to form trihydroxy compound and then oxidation to form third compound and next with rearrangement to form fourth compound. Further rearrangement, this is break and form here carboxylic acid, that is terpinolic acid, to with the reaction with acetic acid in the presence of oxidation to form terabic acid. Now synthesis of terabic acid, it is from ethyl acetate with sodium ethanol to form this compound. Then further we give this compound and next CH3MgI to form these reactions. Then hydrolysis, water is removed, then lactonizes to form terabic acid. Next, synthesis of terpenoyl acid, ethylyl acetoacetate with 2Cl CH2CO2 to form this compound, and next in the next step treated with concentrated KOH and hydrogen to form these compound, and next is this product is formed. The next is hydrolysis, removal of hydrogen to form terpenoic acid. Now next is synthesis of alpha terpineol. The following three syntheses of alpha terpineol further confirm its assigned structure. First is by Perkin Union in 1904, starting from cyclohexanone 4-carboxylic acid to form. Here is a 4-carboxylic acid, cyclohexanone 4-carboxylic acid with ethanol to form this product. Then CH3MgI to form this product. Next, in the presence of HBr to form these product. Next, reaction with pyridine, and next reaction is CH3MgI to form alpha terpinol. Second reaction is Perkin Jr. with Meldrum and Fischer in 1908. Starting material is para-toluic acid. Here is para-toluic acid with treated with sulfuric acid, next KOH, and next treated with sodium and C2H5 ethanol. Next is treated with HBr to form. Here next is pyridine, and this is a synthesis. Next is ethanol plus hydrochloric acid to removal of methyl group. Next, in the presence of ethyl group to form to react with the OMGI group and further hydrogenation to form alpha terpinol. And the third step is Elder and Vogt in 1949. A much simpler synthesis was carried by Elder and Vogt using Dale Elder's reaction with isoprene and methyl vinyl ketone as starting material. Here is methyl vinyl ketone isoprene with rearrangement to form this product, and Grignard reagent, reaction with Grignard reagent to form alpha terpinol. Isomers of terpinol is terpene, this is beta, alpha and gamma terpene. Now I hope you understood these notes and useful for you. Thank you very much.